Okay, so I have 450 grams of rice. I'm using basmati. Doesn't matter what kind you use. And if you don't have a scale, you could use a generous 2 cups of rice would be fine. So we're just gonna soak that. We're using boiling water to shorten the soak time to about a half an hour. You can use any water and go overnight, or 6 hours at least. Grease a pan with coconut oil, make a little crisscross with parchment paper. Preheat your oven to 350. So we're going to do 2 teaspoons baking powder and 2 teaspoons, heaping teaspoons of quick rise yeast. And you got to make sure that your batter is very warm to make that rise. We're going to blitz that for another 15 seconds. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to pour this in. Scrape it out with a spatula, and I'm going to let it rise for just like 20 minutes and throw it in the oven. So I just poured this in here and it's like bubble rising and I can see my pan is on the small side. Mine's probably an 8x4, so use a 9x5, and I'm just going to pop some of this into a mini loaf pan, and this will affect the cook time. Okay, so these are going in. I'm guessing that little one's probably only going to take like maybe 25 minutes. We'll check it in 25. The other one will probably be 50 minutes rather than an hour. So here is the little loaf I made. Looks pretty good. It's still pretty hot, but let's just see. Very nice and spongy. Take a bite.
It's good.
Oh my goodness. It's so good, but I'm looking forward to trying the yeast-free version that we're gonna come up with soon. Okay, so this is like maybe, I think it was only like 35 minutes, and it's looking pretty good.